Hello, my name is Kim and you on my channel. Today we are talking about affiliate marketing. What is it? How you can make money with affiliate marketing? And how you can start this business today with zero investment. Let's get started. In order to understand what is affiliate marketing, I will show you a very simple example of how online business works and who and how to make money from it. Imagine the situation. You want to find the new computer chairs. You are going to the Google and type computer chairs, the best price. We see the site, click on the link and see the article about chairs. It is a description of the different types of chairs. If we will like some of these products, we can go through the link and now we are on Amazon, where we can buy this chair. In this example, you are a customer, the guy who needed chairs. Amazon is a seller who sells you these chairs, and the site with an article about chairs, which help us to make a choice, is the affiliate who earns money each time when someone buys the products after clicks on his affiliate links. In other words, affiliate marketing is a process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. As you see, for this online business, you do not need money, you do not need to think about products, shipping, refunds, and any other thing. Your first task is to share the affiliate link as better as possible and wait for your money. In my opinion, it is the best way for beginners to make their first money online. Okay, and how you can start? First, you need to choose the niche in which you want to work. It must be something that you are good to know and what you like. For example, if you are a fisherman, fishing is a good starting niche for your business. Then you need two important things: a business partner, which links you will promote, and a platform when you will promote affiliate links. For beginners, I would recommend ClickBank. This site collects offers from different businesses in one place and gives you the opportunity to work with any of them. For a beginner, it is much easier than searching sellers and getting affiliate links directly. On their site, ClickBank assured that they have over 100,000 affiliates worldwide. You can find their products and services from almost any niche, like sports or the most popular, home and garden. Just sign up and choose your first business partner. And the second thing that you need for affiliate business is a platform for promotion. In my opinion, it is the most important part of this business. You need to create your business accounts on several social media like Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and start to create your promo material. It must be something creative and eye-catching to attract the attention of your potential customers. You need to post content every day and you will succeed. If you want to know more details about how you can promote your affiliate links on social media, I would recommend you my other videos about Quora and Pinterest. In my opinion, they are the best social platforms to start your affiliate business absolutely free and fast. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, welcome to the comments below. Good luck!